Hello there, GH Tapley here, and welcome to the Quick Win series. This episode is about asking the right questions. And if you've been in business for a while, you probably have the experience when asking the right questions had really elevated your business and solved problems within your team and with your clients. And so, living your purpose is very similar to structuring your business in that sense, because asking the right questions would make all the difference. And the mistake that many people make is that they ask themselves what kind of job, vocation they should choose for themselves to become truly fulfilled and successful. And it's never going to work when approached this way, because the real question should be, who do I need to become to live my best life? Who do I need to be fully in love with myself and the life I'm creating? So once you understand those principles and you start aligning with that future self, I'm already living a purpose, because your purpose is not what you do, it's who you are. So the closer you align with that future self, the more fulfilled and peaceful and meaningful your life will be. And you will get many steps closer towards living your best life and creating an epic legacy. So a quick one for today is start asking the right questions and start asking yourself how you can become the greatest version of yourself that lives an epic life and is serving your purpose and is serving the world greatly. This was GH Tapley and the Quick Win series. See you next time.